welcome back. Today I'm going to show you why I think Hbar might be bottoming soon. This is the chart right now, and we are still in a descending type of price action, but I feel like bottom is near. So let's do a full technical analysis on the macro side. This is on the weekly chart. Now, this price action is moving very similarly from the last move up. So if you can see here, I have a trend. The trend is your friend. So it forms some kind of a falling wedge before breaking out to almost 3x. And then after doing that, it had a mini consolidation range again. And then after a mini consolidation range, it kind of formed another falling wedge. So I feel like Hbar really likes this kind of price action. And then, once you consolidate tight range, you kind of break out. So it did a 6x. I think this was one of the biggest moves before this. So very similar pattern, where you consolidate tight range, breakout, boom. And then you're on a descending, you're on a falling wedge, basically. So right now, it's moving very similar from the past. Now, I know that the wick broke the trend line, but this was the October 10, this was probably the October scam wick that took everyone out. So I'm not gonna include that, but yeah, it's like this. It's forming like that, and then I have the RSI below. So this move, we kind of touched the oversold territory, but we didn't really touch it. You can see here, but right now we are touching it. We actually touched it multiple times already, oversold territory. And then previous move, you have here the Pico bottom, where we actually went over or below the oversold graph. So we could be waiting for that right here. If we do, I am going to long Hbar because I'm going to ride that move higher again. So yeah, if you're still holding this, or have you sold this, let me know in the comments below. But each time Hbar touches the oversold territory, or even barely touches it, we do have a move higher, after consolidating and getting a tight range. So this could be a signal. I am waiting for this, but I have a clear structure here. Now, your confirmation could be something like this, wherein, you have a strong bullish order flow, you have a strong single day candle, and then, you could look for longs at this breakout. So you could also look for longs at this breakout right here, just like what happened here, strong bullish order flow. So if this trade plays out, this could be a massive, like 5 to 6x move. So yeah, this is just a quick Monday update. We've got Hbar for today. I've been looking at this chart, and recently I've been looking at some altcoins, trying to see which ones are still the narrative and could be the next movers. So if you want to know more altcoins, make sure to leave a like, follow, and subscribe. All right, see you guys on the next one.